Hey everyone, want to create professional social media banners in minutes? With Kittl AI, it's fast and easy. Let me show you how. Let's get started. First, search for Kittl.com and then here in the left hand menu, click Templates and search for Social Media Banner. And here you can choose a design that matches your brand style, whether it's minimalist or bold or colorful. Then customize text and layout. Click on the text to add your brand name, tagline, or campaign message. You can adjust the size and alignment so it fits perfectly. And you can use Kittl elements and illustrations to add icons, shapes, or images. Switch up to the color palette to match your brand identity. And Kittl makes it easy to resize your design for different platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or Twitter. And here you can export your banner. You can click download and export as PNG or JPEG for online use. And that's it. That's how you design eye-catching social media banners in Kittl AI. Perfect for building your brand across all platforms. Try it out today. Please like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.